How to use XE Money Transfer. XE is a foreign exchange company that provides real-time currency conversion, exchange rate data, and international money transfer services. It is widely used by individuals and businesses for checking exchange rates and sending money globally. First, you have to go to XE website and log into your account. Then click on Transfer Now. Verify your phone number. Then click on Send Money. Choose your destination country. Enter the amount. Choose Pay with debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Then select Deliver to option. Then click on Continue. Enter full name, nickname, and reason for transfer. Then click Continue. Then select recipient's bank country, account number, IFSC code, bank name, account type. Then select how would you like to pay. Then review information and click Confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching.